Hello again, fellow YouTubers and railway enthusiasts. There's been a little change to my O-gauge fleet. I decided to get rid of my 58 and I did a swap for this Heljan O-gauge class 27. This is a close-up of number 1 end. There is a detail pack in the box which includes snowplows, and I will be fitting these at some point, as this will definitely make the loco look better. This locomotive is factory weathered. I'm beginning to wish that I'd kept my class 26 because they would have looked good paired up together. Once again, the lighting appears to be playing tricks on the actual colour. In reality, the finish on this locomotive is more accurate to the BR blue. This locomotive will complement my Scottish fleet and will look good on the diorama when it's finally finished, along with 47-120, 55-022 and 37-025. Here's a quick look at the grime and brake dust on the bogies and undercarriage. So there you go, that's the Heljan O-gauge class 27. Thanks for watching.